Using a template to create tilted blocks ensures you have a uniform angle. Make the block as described in the project instructions. Using a dark permanent marker and template plastic, make marks on the template square as described in the project instructions. Here, we measure 3 inches and then 3.5 inches, marking each side of the template. Connect the marks, connecting the 3-inch mark on one side with the 3.5-inch mark on the adjacent side. Place the template over the block, aligning the drawn square with the center square of the block as shown. Draw around the template. Using a large square ruler like Havel's 12.5-inch square ruler, cut on the lines to complete your tilted block. Add some sass to your quilt with a jaunty tilt.